Hi, so this is the postdoc application portal just for some support from my friends, family, or any viewers. So I've attached a cover letter, I think. Yeah, I've added a cover letter, then I've added job applications. No job applications yet. So my resume I've added, and I've added my statements, what I want to research, just something simple, and added much. And some references from the past professors I've added and other things. But this has no correlation to the job application. So let us say find a job. I'm very confused on doing this, so I thought while talking about it, I will be able to do it. So if I type atomic physics here, and if I type search, then there is a job application R&D laboratory support technology, microelectronics devices, AMO physicist, and all. Suppose I like this, and then there's the whole description, and you have to press apply now, and then you have to fill out the form in the portal to apply now actually. So see this portal careers, apply for job, then you have to sign, you have to put a username and login ID and all that, and then you have to apply. So I don't understand how to do this. Hope I figure out. Let's see if we can work it out together. Bye.